Now we need to process some file with SAMtools. First we need to convert it to BAM, so the binary form that takes much less space in the disk. So SAMtools, view -b, the output will be called temp.bam and the input is srr_sum.sum, and we press enter and we wait. Now we need to add the read group in to the file. This is required for some downstream tools like GATK, and SAMtools addreplacerg command adds the read group both to the header and to each alignment. I provide a ready-to-use text string. You can copy it. Is in the rg.txt, and you can already copy it. So and the command is SAMtools add replace rg -r. You passed the line, output temp.rg.bam, and the input will be temp.bam. And we wait a little bit. So the ID here is the read group, the SEM is the sample name, PL is the platform, in this case it's ILLUMINA, and now we need to organize the alignments by genomic position. So SAMtools sort output. Now we can already put it in the final name file. So srr.bam, and the input file will be temp.rg.bam. We wait a little bit and index the resulting BAM file for faster access to specific regions of the alignment file. So SAMtools index srr.bam. Okay, now we remove the temporary files. So rem temp.bam and rm temp.rg.bam. And we have the BAM file and the index file.